Chicago Heating Repair. Just got done installing a Magic Pack combo AC and furnace, gas furnace. They call these through the wall. They also call them vertical package units. So there's two designations, depends on the manufacturer. Magic Pack calls it through the wall. And then you have Free Brick and the other ones that are vertical package units. And that's pretty much it. It looks actually turned out really great. We also installed a new thermostat and a new carbon monoxide CO2 detector with a lithium 10-year battery, so it doesn't need a wiring, it doesn't need a power supply. It goes off of lithium and it'll last for 10 years. And it won't bleep on you. It's one of the better ones. Air filter, everything looks great. So plenum up there, we insulated, foam insulation. We just got done vacuuming, sweeping, the best we can. We didn't mop. But if you're looking for a through the wall or a vertical package unit installation in Chicago, give us a call at 773-330-3689.